Electric lunchboxes have evolved from simple warmers to versatile portable kitchens that cater to commuters, travelers, and remote workers alike. The category matters because it directly impacts meal quality, nutrient preservation, and work-life convenience, enabling hot meals without a microwave. For this comparison, list number 1. Electric lunchbox heated food warmer, 100-watt heating. This 100-watt, 1.8-liter electric lunchbox is designed for fast heating with compatibility across 12-volt, 24-volt car outlets and 110 to 230-volt home or office outlets. It uses a detachable 1.8-liter stainless steel container plus a 0.45-liter snack container and includes a stainless steel fork and spoon. A key note is the need to open the exhaust cover before heating and that the 0.45-liter container cannot be heated. The 3-in-1 capability, car, truck, home, or office, makes it a versatile option for commuters who want a single device for multiple environments. It ships with a carry bag and is dishwasher safe for the non-heating components, aiding cleanup. Performance and user experience. Heating times are typically in the 20 to 30-minute window for a full 1.8-liter load, which is competitive for the size. The stainless steel container is suitable for refrigeration preheat, but the base should not be refrigerated. The leak-proof design and 4-side snap closures help prevent spills during transit, and the included insulated bag improves warmth retention on the move. However, the dual container approach means you must manage heat exposure, the 0.45-liter is not heated, and ensure proper placement of the containers to avoid uneven heating. Dishwasher safety is limited to non-heating parts, which is common in this class but worth noting for maintenance. List number 2. East Oak Cordless Electric Lunchbox for Adults. The East Oak model is a premium, battery-powered lunchbox with a 5.5 cup, that's approximately 1.3 liter, capacity and a built-in 10,000 mAh battery. It supports scheduled heating and memory settings with a removable tray divider for meal customization. The package includes a full accessory set, fork, spoon, divider, insulated bag, and power cord. It is designed for on-the-go heating without a wall outlet. Performance and user experience. The cordless heating capability is ideal for workplaces without outlets or for outdoor use. The smart timer and memory features improve convenience by ensuring meals are hot when you want them. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe components, though some users may find battery life can limit heating sessions if meals are heavy or require extended warm periods. The 2-hour target for thorough heating is typical for battery-powered units, and the detachable tray divider helps organize complex meals. Weight and dimensions, 9 by 8 by 12 inches and 2.8 pounds, are reasonable for a portable device, but bulkier than some non-battery boxes. List number 3. Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox 20-ounce Food Warmer. A compact, personal-sized 20-ounce, about 0.6-liter lunch warmer from Crock-Pot, optimized for on-the-go use with a stylish moonshine green finish. This unit emphasizes portability, a spill-free outer lid, and a dishwasher-safe removable inner container. It's the most compact option among the list, ideal for a light lunch or snack while traveling. Performance and user experience. Being a smaller capacity device, heating times are shorter, but overall thermal retention depends on how much you load. The single compartment design simplifies cleaning and reduces potential leak points. The product's classic crock-pot reliability lends confidence, and the detachable cord plus easy carry handle improves travel usability. Its compact size makes it less versatile for larger meals, but very convenient for those who want a lightweight, simple solution. List number 4. Electric Heated Lunchboxes, Adults, 80-watt lunchbox. A budget-friendly 80-watt lunchbox with a 1.5-liter main container plus a 0.45-liter side compartment. It supports 12-volt, 24-volt, and 110-volt operation, includes a carry handle and a free insulated bag, and features a leak-resistant silicone-sealed lid with 4 side snaps. The unit emphasizes value and practicality for daily commuting and on-site workers. Performance and user experience. Heating at 80 watts is slower than higher wattage models, but the 1.5-liter capacity remains attractive for a full lunch. The leak-resistant design plus included utensils and bag enhance everyday usability. However, the longer heating times may be less ideal for tight lunch breaks, and the base should be kept dry during cleaning to avoid electrical safety issues. The dual compartment layout provides moderate meal organization, but still relies on the heat being transferred through the stainless steel container.
List number 5. Dupasa Electric Lunchbox Food Warmer 100-watt heated lunchbox for adults. Similar to the Cozy Expert 1.8-liter setup, this Dupasa model also uses 100-watt heating with a 1.8-liter main container and a 0.45-liter secondary, plus a stainless steel fork and spoon. It highlights a 110-volt, 230-volt home use plus 12-volt, 24-volt car-truck compatibility with a silicone-sealed lid and dishwasher-safe components, emphasizing quick heating and leak resistance. Performance and user experience. The 100-watt power level yields heating in the 20 to 30-minute range for typical meals, and the 1.8-liter capacity supports balanced portion sizes. The 0.45-liter salad box is not heated, consistent with other models in this tier. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe components, though care must be taken to keep water away from the heating base. The product's 3-compartment approach provides some meal organization, but not as granular as multi-compartment systems designed for complex meals.